or harm me in any way because I'm like his daughter. Okay?
Hmm.
But yeah, again I would say there are many conspirators. And the day I came back also I said, but let me not say it. Whatever I have to say, I have given my case to High Command and I truly believe justice will happen. Forget me being Valanka.
When will the justice happen?
I being a lawyer, I cannot expect injustice being done to me.
When will the justice happen?
I would say 10 days from now. Because it's an open cut case. Here, just because Chief Minister said...
What are you expecting in that justice?
Pramod, listen. Chief Minister said Valanka is a good candidate. Did Valanka ever say, I'm pledging on Chief Minister's support? Did I ever say that I'm pledging on GPCC President's support? I never said that. But here is a candidate who openly said, I am elected because of Shri Vijay Sardesai and I am elected because of Shri Sankalp Amonkar. Those two people say we are totally with.
So you are saying that Vijay also completely campaigned against you.
I don't know, but he didn't support me for sure. So he didn't support me. He campaigned against me. I don't know, but I was too confident that they couldn't disqualify me because I told you that show cause notice, I frame it and laminate it and put it in my bedroom. I've actually given it for framing. Because you know what that show cause notice says? That Valanka Alamma is the most powerful woman in Goa. I can basically instruct the Chief Minister, all the ministers and all the MLAs. If I am so powerful, Pramod, why do I even need to contest for a president post?
My question now, the question that comes now, you are saying justice will be done in 10 days. Okay,
I'm very positive and it will be done.
Okay. When the party is denying you an opportunity to contest for the presidentship of its youth wing, do you have any hopes that you will get assembly ticket?
I'll tell you something. I'm very hardworking. I'm very positive. And I have this convincing power because I know truth will prevail. And you believe me, you will see in the next few days what Valanka is and how the Congress party
Are you confident that you will get Barnavalim ticket of Congress?
I believe in my hard work. I believe in my people. And above all, I have this great karmic connection with the Congress party. You know, it's actually karmic is what I should say. Because no matter what, people had expected that I would be demoralized to such an extent that I would leave the party. That will never happen. That will never ever happen.
If you are denied ticket, then also you are not leaving the party.
Baba, तुका एक सांगता. तू deny म्हणून किती मोठ रे?
I am just asking you. I am just asking you a simple possibility. There are only two possibilities.
You are
get the
asking something which is very hypothetical.
It is not very hypothetical.
It
might be little hypothetical. See, there are only two possibilities. You get the ticket, you don't get the ticket.
I said it 1 year back, Pramod.
That you will not leave Congress.
When I have to cross the bridge. Till date,
every politician on this show comes and gives me an example of bridge.
I have never been diplomat. I speak my heart out, and that I think is my biggest strength.
Valanka, I am not asking you a very hypothetical question. There are only two possibilities. Either you get a ticket, you don't get a ticket. You get a ticket, there are no further questions. There are no further questions.
There's no further questions.
Yes.
I'll get the ticket.
What if you don't get the ticket?
There's no question of me not getting the ticket.
You are going to get the ticket.
Of course.
You are so
need a
confident
winning
about
candidate.
it.
You need a winning candidate. You need somebody who's hardworking. You need a woman leader.
Your winnability will get you the ticket.
My hard work will get me the ticket and my winnability will get me the ticket.
Okay.
See, because of my hard work will I be a winner, right? Otherwise, I just can't be a winner.
Can you make a clear-cut statement here that you won't leave Congress, come what may?
250%, I won't leave Congress.
Come what may?
What may.
Ticket, no ticket.
It's
a very simple question. Ticket, no ticket, you won't leave Congress.
I will get the ticket.
Yes. That is over. That issue is over.
Sure.
That issue is over. Sir, that issue is over.
Yes, ticket, no ticket, Valanka is with Congress. So, that
is very, let's be very clear. Why I should be happy?
Let me make you happy.
Why should I be happy?
You always have this in your mind.
You have a winnable, you are saying you are a winnable candidate. Then in any circumstances, if something else happens, then I am just asking for the sake.
Baba, for the last 5 years, ticket dinners no dekho Valanka huya.
Congress. So आता है काय जावपाना
With the Congress. I believe in the Congress, and I have the greatest regards for Madam Sonia Gandhi, and I believe in the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji, and I'm still telling you, he's still not aware of what has happened here. The minute he is aware, justice will prevail, and I believe in
Last two questions. Immediately the disqualification जातकीर Churchill आणि Jokin resignation दिले. Was it a mistake?
See, I personally tell you, I must have told you earlier also, मुगे जो पे बापू या ऐसा is a very emotional person. That was an outburst. But I will never let my father do such a thing. See, तू Churchill
politically it was a mistake.
I करे प्रमोद.
काय ऐकता? सा.
Churchill मोठे तो ना एक open book और repeat करतो का. And लोक नो तेको हेडपा जाना जायत बाशी. पण अंत नो maybe it's God's way or I don't know what. But I am like a shield around my father. Okay? They thought by hurting me, they would make my father leave the party. Which will never ever happen. Let me tell you that. I am not his weakness. I am his biggest strength. They deliberately did it because the whole thing, as I said, was politically motivated. It was a conspiracy to hurt me and to get him out of the party. At that minute, he said it, and I also personally felt that he shouldn't have said it. I'm telling you very frankly. Because I don't want my father, because of me, to resign from a Congress party, because my father is the pillar of Congress party. Everybody will tell you that.
Another thing is that when this thing happened, Churchill हाजी पयली खुबश्यो गजाली, खुबश्यो इश्यू घेतल्या. पार्टी भितर घेतल्या. He has created groups, he has created pressure groups, everything. आणि ताजे बरोबर आमदार आयले. When it was your issue, nobody came forward. Did it hurt?
Listen to me, man. तो तुगे answer मरे. तो तुगे show cause answer मरे. If Valanka could influence the chief minister, all the ministers, all the MLAs, then where were they when they disqualified Valanka? That's your answer?
So you are saying...
here I am on my own. I am mobilizing support on my own.
So when it comes to Valanka, nobody is ready to support Churchill.
I think I am the biggest threat. So it's a compliment. I like that.
So that non-support is also a compliment for you.
See, ते MLA and ministeraंको नाहलो बाबते. ते भुरग्यांको आसलो युथाचे.
ती भुरगी जाली पण जेन्ना Churchill pressure group करतेना 8 जण 10 जण 12 जण येतात. वालंका खातीर ताणें रिजाइन जालें तेन्ना एकटो येवप ना.
कित्याक पयलीं सद्या म्हाका चर्चिलाकू रिजाइन जालो ना काहलोलें. As a father he did it, and तुगे गोडे फाल तरी चोड आहा ओ तुगे चेड आहा. No, you listen to me. A child is a God's gift. And तुका हे मुंचे खबर सांगना तुगे यूथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट.
दोनच मिनिटं उरल्या.
आयक 2 मिनिटं और बडे आयको जायते. चर्चिल मुंगेलो गॉडफादर म्हणटा ते. आपण हाली एक देव चयलोय आणि एक देव मुंगे चर्चिल. जेन्ना तेको एक मनशान विचारले आनी तुगेले देवा कितें जालें तुका खबर ते मनशान कितें म्हणलें तुगे प्रेसिडेंट देवा बाय मेळ्ळें देवा बाय मेळ्ळें हांव बाबा तेगे जालो चोडू तूं तुगे चोडाक सपोर्ट कोन आसा तूं तिसरी मनशाक सपोर्ट करतलो and what I have really heard about Pramod, I'll tell you, because I don't have anything against her, Pratima. I know her very well, but how dare she says, I heard the voice record. Voice मेटले आले ही PWD मिनिस्टर आगा चोडा को मेटले. I am openly challenging her. तू काय केना पैसे दिले गो? और तू कोणा चयला पैसे दिते? तुको आहात यो टीवी चॅन सांग. Because when I give my heart out, when I do something, I give 100%. I don't believe in doing 50-50 things.
My last question to you, and on this issue itself, जय तुम्ही म्हणे की पैसे दिवपा जायला PWD मिनिस्टराच्या चलयेकडच्यान घे. म्हाका सांग तुजेर करप्शनाचे जेन्ना इतले एलिगेशन जातात तेन्ना पॉइंट 1 कित्याक जातात पॉइंट 2 मेनी पीपल से आफ्टर दिस एपिसोड ऑल्सो की वालंका बाणावले भरपूर पैसो खर्च करता खंयच्यान येता तुजे कडेन पैसो
बाबा कोण खर्च दिता तू मिनू तुका एक सांगता तुका एक पयले सांगलो हा तू म्हाका सदा 15 दीस पयले मेळलो आय डोंट नो वेदर कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी अट्रॅक्ट्स मी ओ आय एम अट्रॅक्टेड ना तू मगे ऑफसा यो genuine cases, genuine. Baba, I don't believe in buying a vote. And if I have to buy a vote, you believe me, to एक incident how I have to listen to this. कोण साऊथ गोवा सन येयल्ली 100 जाण भुरग्यां घेवन तुका खबर आसा म्हाका कितें म्हणलें 100 जाण भुरग्यां म्हणलें मॅडम तुका वोट करतले पूण ताका हॉटलान दवरपाक जाय हांव तूं उलयत कितें MLA इलेक्शन तांकां हॉटलान दवरपाक जाय तुका उलयत कितें तूं अदी बरें आनी तांकां कितें दिवपाक जाय हांवें म्हूण तूं ते 100 जाणां और आनी एक दोंगराचे सोड कोण हुंच डायरेक्शन वयता कसली बिकॉज आय डोंट बिलीव बांदून घेवपा पयशे घेवन इफ आय हॅड टू डू दॅट म्हाका केसो गरज
वालांका पयशे करयना आनी पयशे खर्चय करना
चोय वालांका कितें आखो बाणाले लोक जाणा आनी तुका सांगता
इलेक्शनाक कळटलें.
फॉर प्रेसिडेंट आखे गोंय जाणा बिकॉज म्हाका ही संदी केन्ना मेळपा न्हू आखे गोंय भोंवरपाची
ओके सो ह्या हाजेर आमी आयची मुलाखत सोंपयता हांगा खूब व्हडली व्हडली गजाली जाल्यात ह्या तूं भितर ओपनली वालांका उलयता
रिवील केला सगळें
रिवील केला आनी वालांका सदांच रिवील करता ओपन उलयता कितें आसता तें
आय थिंक
मनांतलें
फॉर
सांगता
वन्स तू मोठो मरे डिप्लोमॅट जाल्ला म्हणून
ना ना स्पश्टपणान सांगलें आनी इट वॉज नेसेसरी आनी आयलें आनी यू गेव
and
दिस
I'm
इंटरव्यू
really glad you gave me this opportunity to come.
थँक्स अ लॉट इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू
Thank you so much.
We spend so much for the love of food.
Breakfast ready.
Cold coffee.
Wow, tasty. Join us for lunch. Are you done? Have more.
Love your health too. Undergo a yearly preventive health checkup to ensure 100% health at the Nusi Walcott Multi-Speciality Hospital in Goa. Nusi Walcott Hospital. We help you to stay healthy.